Hey. Hey everybody, Dr. Cranky back in the laboratory at last. We survived Michael. This is the first time in, I think, in history that such a big hurricane. Oh wait. That's how we sneeze. Yeah. That a hurricane of that category comes inland, so far inland, and it did a lot of damage in terms of trees down and power lines and all of that, but it didn't do the kind of damage that it did to Apalachicola and places like Mexico Beach, and it was just horrible. But we lost power. We had quite a few tree limbs down. We had all sorts of debris. So it's taken a while to get up and running. I also took the opportunity to change the lights in the shop because a few of them have been here going 24/7 pretty much for about 15 or so years, and the ballast was damaged in a few, and then I changed out double banks for quadruple banks, and so now we have all the light we would ever need in the shop, and we're very happy about that. So wanted to let you know that we're back up and running. It's a lovely Sunday. We've got most of the place cleaned up and livable again and all of that good stuff. I wanted to send a shout out to all the folks who checked in on us, and you know who you are. The list is too long to mention everybody individually, but I just wanted to thank all of those folks who emailed, texted, called, that kind of thing, to figure out how we were doing. So we really appreciate that, and thank you. It means a lot to us. So we are going to start making some videos. We'll probably warm up by making a few talking head videos, etc., and then get back into some building videos and things like that. So do stay tuned in, my friends. We're back up and running. Cranky is back. All right, take care.